Hi, so I decided that I was gonna vlog today. I don't know if I'm just gonna vlog today, if I'm gonna vlog the rest of the week or anything, but I decided I was gonna have quite a productive day today. So I thought that if I filmed it, then I would feel more pressured to do that. I've already tidied our room, and I did film a before and after, so I'll insert that now. So please don't judge, but it's really messy right now. So this is a before, and once I'm done, I will show you what it looks like. Oh my god, this is gonna take me so long. So here's an after. It's still a wee bit cluttered, but I mean, it definitely looks a lot better. I need to take that stuff down. It is the 22nd of May today, it's Friday. Danny actually has an exam that he's doing right now, so it's just gonna be you and I for most of the vlog, hope you don't mind. Literally all I've been doing every day is lying in bed and watching YouTube videos and just not doing anything. And it just gives me a lot of time to overthink, which is not the best. So I wanted to try and do a bit more today. So I've tidied the room, feel productive already. I did want to film a video and take some Instagram pictures, but it's so gloomy outside. So the lighting's just not very good, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. What else am I going to do? So I haven't actually done anything yet, but I made myself some lunch and thought I would show you. So I made this. I don't usually really eat these, but it looks kind of yummy, and it's actually like not that unhealthy. I mean, not that I'm being healthy at all right now, like I've been eating so badly, but oh well. So I'm just gonna watch some YouTube while I eat that, and then I will actually do something productive. I also really want to online shop, but I've been spending so much money recently. It's actually an issue and I need to stop myself. I think I have an addiction. We just ate dinner. It's like 8 right now, and I have literally spent the whole day painting and I hate it. I'm looking at it right now and I just don't even want to see it, but maybe I'm just gonna sit and watch some YouTube right now. This is literally like one thing I've ticked off my list for today. Also, Danny's still doing his exam. He said he should be done in like 2 hours, so I'm hoping we can watch like a film or something tonight. We watched 1917 last night. I thought it was so well done. I would highly recommend it. It's quite sad, but it was really good, and I really liked the way they did it. You know, I'm just actually a film student, so I actually know my stuff. I'm kidding, I literally know nothing. My dad said it gave him motion sickness because of the way it's filmed. It's quite like, it's not shaky, but it's not like really still the whole time. So if you have motion sickness, then maybe look out for that. I can have motion sickness and I was fine, but my dad said it did make him feel quite sick. Sorry about the lighting, but I managed to fix my painting a wee bit. I still don't love it, but it definitely looks a lot better than it looked before. So maybe I'll show you tomorrow, but I don't know, I just get kind of nervous showing like my paintings because I feel as though they're kind of personal, and like art is so subjective. I don't want to sound all like, oh my god, art's so subjective, but like it is. And I feel as though some people might think it's like really bad, whereas some people would think it was good, kind of thing. And I just don't want people judging me, so. But I'm a bit happier with it. I don't know, I feel as though it always like makes me feel better when like my family and like Danny and stuff tell me that it looks good. So Danny likes it, and I'm gonna send a picture to my mum and hopefully she gives me some compliments too, so I feel better. Now, what time is it? It is 10:30. Oh my god, it's so late. My head really hurts as well, I don't know why. Selling Sunset season 2 apparently is on Netflix now. If any of you haven't watched it, it's basically about these like really rich estate agents. Well, I don't think, what do they call them in America? They're not estate agents in America. What are they called? Real estate agents? Oh, that's like the same thing basically. Okay, well yeah, it's about really rich ones of them, and they sell these like huge houses, and they all are like so bitchy, and it's really good. It's really entertaining. I loved season 1. It made me really want to live in like all these huge houses though. And then also when they like showed how much commission they got, it was like, I don't know how much exactly, but they were selling like $3 million houses, and we're getting like, I mean, this, I have no idea if this is correct or not, but I swear it was like $500,000 like for selling it. And I was like, what? I want that job. But yeah, then they all got into like fights and stuff like that, and one of them got engaged, I remember. So I wonder how that went with her. So I'm gonna maybe watch some of that. sort of breath because I just ran up the stairs. But it's Sunday now. I never filmed anything yesterday just because we weren't really doing very much. But we just took some Instagram pictures. It was very stressful. It always takes me so long and I get like really agitated and like stressed when I do it. Right, how do you think I should do this?
Don't know then.
Because my other purple one is...
You can't be sitting like that.
Yeah, no, because my other purple one's...
Exact same.
How does it look?
Don't know.
No. You always seem to take them when I'm moving.
Don't fucking move it!
How does that look? Does it look like I'm really uncomfortable? Because I feel uncomfortable. But we're about to go on a bike ride, which is going to be nice. We haven't done this in a while. It's looking a bit nice outside today. I mean, it's still really gloomy, but this is the best we can hope for. Oh, hi Cullen. Okay, we've just stopped. And I look really good in this helmet. Please don't get too jealous. I'm kind of tired. Okay, people are kind of looking at me. It's kind of busy here. I thought it was going to be really quiet. It is literally almost June and it's like 10 degrees. Is this a joke? We just got back from our bike ride. My hair looks really bad now, but my legs hurt really bad. Oh, we haven't done scones.
Ah, no selfish flour. So, I might have to make something now.
Like what?
I don't know.
We're basically doing like a bake-off between each other.
I don't know if we're going to do it now, by the way, because Dad's cooking.
Can we do it after dinner?
Yeah, I don't know.
We have the quiz though. We're doing a quiz tonight again. We can do it before the quiz.
Yeah.
I'm hungry too. Can you get me some crisps too, please?
Well, you have to come down.
Okay. I think I need to fix my hair. Do you think my hair looks okay like this? Can you be honest? Is it too messy?
Huh?
Not even listen to me. Is my hair too messy?
No, you think it's...
Okay. Oh, also, I think I got some good Instagram pictures. Basically, my Instagram right now, I've been trying to do like every row is a different colour, kind of. But yeah, and I got some like cool ones. I mean, they're all like the same. You can't really see them. Go over to my Instagram if you want to see them. I'm about to tidy our room because it's messy again. Don't know why I even bother. I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely exhausted. That bike ride has really taken it out of me. Also, oh my god, I'm so proud of myself for this. Because I'm such a genius, I actually shock myself sometimes, I'm not trying to brag, but I remembered, well I actually figured it in my head, I don't even remember. You can add baking powder, I think it's baking powder, yeah. You can add baking powder to normal flour and it makes self-raising flour. So the scones are back on. I know everyone's going to be so happy. I'm not even going to film us doing the scones, to be honest, probably. Maybe I'll film a wee bit. But I have literally filmed us baking in almost every single video I've uploaded since the start of lockdown, and it's probably really boring. Also, I've been editing this video and I realised I've been basically lying in bed the whole time. And it's probably such a boring video, but I've actually been told I'm not allowed to say that anymore. Danny always gets annoyed at me when I say that, because if I say it's boring, then other people are gonna think it's boring, you know. Also, I still haven't tidied up from painting the other day, so that's gonna be horrendous to clean, but I just can't be bothered. Also, look how cute Tess is. I'm not doing very well with this vlog at all. It is now Tuesday. Woke up like half an hour ago. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 2, to be honest. I wake up so late, I know it's so bad. I never finished the vlog on Sunday. We basically baked the scones. I took a clip of my scones and then Danny's scones, so I'll insert that here. Then after that we did a quiz with our friends. I did come last. It's fine, I don't want to talk about it. Then I think we just like watched Grey's Anatomy or something like that. I actually wasn't feeling well that night, I'm sure, which is why I didn't finish the vlog. But I have been editing it, and right now I think I'm at like 13 minutes, which is long enough for a vlog. But I feel as though it's literally just me in bed the whole time talking. So I'm gonna vlog today and then cut down the other 2 days a bit, I think, so that it's just a bit more interesting, because it feels like the whole time I was just telling you that I'm gonna do all these things and then just not even showing you. But yes, today is Tuesday. I mean, not that that really matters at all, to be honest. I'm gonna film a haul today, I think, because I've been putting it off for ages. I don't know why, I just can't be bothered. I'm gonna film that today. Need to get some more Instagram pictures. What else am I gonna do? I don't really know. At the start of lockdown, I had like so many videos to upload. Like, I literally had enough videos to upload like every second day. And now I just... hardly have any. I feel as though I have no motivation. I just haven't really been feeling like filming at all. Like I just haven't really been in the mood. And I feel as though I'm literally tired the whole day. And I mean, I know that I have a really bad sleep schedule. Like we literally go to bed at like 3 and then wake up at like 1. I know I said that I was literally just sitting talking the whole time, and that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm gonna go now, finish my makeup, and then I'll update you on whatever I do. I just finished getting ready. I thought I'd show you what I was wearing. I don't really like this outfit, but I have like no clothes here, which is so annoying because obviously like I want to post like cool outfits on my Instagram and I have none with me. So I'm wearing this white shirt, which is from Urban Outfitters, I think. I'm pretty sure this is my sister's, but and I'm wearing these shorts. It's just really boring, but I don't know what else to wear. This is my struggle every day when I try and take photos. These shorts are like so see-through as well, but hopefully you can't see in the photo. This is Danny's new football that I bought him. I bought him one for Christmas, and then on Christmas morning he went to pump it up and it broke. And I was meant to buy him a new one and I forgot, but I got him one now. Do you want to go do the jigsaw?
Probably, yeah. We do need to finish it.
We've been doing this jigsaw for so long. Oh my god, I hate it so much. And Danny got the easy bit, and I got the sky. Where literally all the bits look the same. And I hate it.
Maybe I'm just not an idiot.
I need to get some socks. Also, I have shorts on, but my legs, like I don't even remember the last time I shaved my legs. They're literally hairier than Danny's legs are.
Wait, you need to get pictures, right?
Yeah.
Of what?
Of me.
Oh wait, yeah, cool. That's really.
Oh, actually, I'm worried this is going to run out of battery. Oh, Tessa.
Oh, the cats and the dogs.
Here's it before. Are you going to try finish it? Oh.
Oh, it was. Yeah! Good luck with all that part. Ah, terrible. Live. Okay.
We're just out on a walk right now. I forgot to film an after of the jigsaw, but we didn't get that far through. We're not finished yet. Yeah, we're just on a walk. We played a bit of football. I got some pictures. Don't know if any of them will really work, so I've got a strict theme going on right now. Oh my god. It's actually quite warm today, you'll be happy to hear, because the other day it was like 10 degrees when we were trying to cycle, but I think it's like a solid 16 now, so
very nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go to some come. Okay, I filmed my haul finally, and I also filmed the try on section, so I think I'm gonna upload that tomorrow, but it took me a while. What's that?
You don't want to vlog it?
I don't wanna. I don't really know if I like the video, but I think I'm just too paranoid.
You are paranoid.
I also had to take the try on clips twice because I literally took all the clips and they were blurry. I was like, are you actually taking the piss? I was so annoyed. But right now, we're gonna bake, right? And what are we doing? Danny had an idea?
I'm not telling you.
No, what are you doing? Like, you're giving me ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay, Danny's gonna give me ingredients.
And a recipe.
And a recipe. Oh my god, this is fun. Well, see, the issue is with this, is he kept suggesting stuff to bake earlier, all stuff I don't like, and now suddenly he's got this idea.
Oh no, you baked it already.
Definitely, it's gonna be, is it something I like?
Yeah.
Do you know I like it?
Yeah.
You're not just taking a risk?
Well, you'll understand why I did it. It's a very balanced meal.
What?
Actually, I don't even know if I can do it without yeast. I don't know.
Why do you need yeast?
That's it, I need yeast.
I thought you just need yeast for like bread and dough.
Well, can you get by with just baking powder? Who knows?
Interesting. Well, I'm quite excited to vlog this, even though I said earlier that I wouldn't vlog me baking again because that's all I've been doing. Yeah, my haul is okay. I'll just get paranoid that I'm boring, but I'm overthinking it. I'm gonna leave it, I'm not gonna look at it, I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. Also, I'm pretty sure I like broke my memory card. It actually like won't go into my camera properly, but I just like shoved it in and then closed the wee like flat bit that covers it, and it seems to be working. It's taking a clip, but I'm worried that when I put it in my computer it's not gonna work. The ingredients Danny's told me to get are flour, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, which I'm not sure about because
That's not
I
cocoa
don't...
powder. That's hot chocolate.
Well yeah, but I thought this is the same thing.
No, dingus.
Well, I'm not sure about that because I don't like chocolate flavoured things.
You can also trust me, Gwen, something for everyone.
Caster sugar, milk, baking powder, butter and eggs. I swear these are like the ingredients for like every single recipe. Oh no, I don't like bone.
You do?
No, I don't. 3 tablespoons?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what it looks like so far. So I definitely know it smells like cake because I also had Danny say to smell it's a cake. I think I have an idea of what, but he doesn't want me to say. I'm just not sure where this cocoa powder is going to go in because I don't like chocolate cake. But I know Danny does, so...
There's something for everyone, Gwen.
It's going to be like a...
Gwen, you're not allowed to guess!
Sorry. That's my hands are so maggy. Okay, now just mix this.
And there's something else. Oh, vanilla.
How much?
A teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Was that teaspoons or tablespoons?
Tablespoons.
Okay, good. What did it say to me? Okay, well, I'm pretty sure it's like one of those swirly cakes. So it's like, I don't know.
Well, what are you doing?
Putting in 1 tablespoon of chocolate and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Oh, it tastes good. So just like this. Is that okay?
I don't know.
Looks good. Okay, I think that's probably enough. Here's our cake. Just came out of the oven. This is literally the best cake we've ever made because our cakes never come out in one piece. And now we're gonna make some ice and sugar. Danny's insisted on making chocolate. I have made normal. Should we just do it?
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay. So just...
Yeah. You're the cake queen, Gwen.
Just pour all of it on and let it do its own thing. How should I do it?
I don't know.
Just like drizzle over it. Oh no, it's not going well.
You're not going to use this, Gwen? I think you need to do dollops.
Oh.
Oh.
That was too much.
It's very watery. That was quite cool.
Does it? Okay, here's our cake. It looks a mess. Ew, I'm not keeping that in. This is a mess. Well, I think it's gonna taste good.
Yeah, well. Shall we eat it now?
Yeah, why not?
Oh.
It worked well.
Sure.
Oh my god, yay. I'm nervous. I hope I like it. I can taste the chocolate, but it's nice. Okay, so I'm finally gonna end this vlog. We had the cake, we watched a bit of Grey's Anatomy. But hopefully this wasn't too much of a mess. It feels like it's kind of all over the place. But I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video.